For this lesson, we are going to practice with side angle pose. Side angle, you're going to use your warrior stance. We're going to come through warrior 2 into our side angle pose. So start off with mountain pose at the front of your mat. I'm going to start here this time. And as usual, I will change direction on the mat. You do not have to. So just a quick review of mountain. Feet are straight, grounding the toes, the heels, engaging the body from the soles of the feet all the way up to the crown. Right? Tuck the tailbone, pelvis forward, chest lifted, core engaged. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, bring them down to heart center. And we're going to come into our warrior stance, left leg back. So left leg comes back, heel is down, back foot at a 45 to 90 degree angle, bend to the front knee. We're going to go directly into warrior 2, so turn your torso and your waist to the left side. Bring the arms out parallel, warrior 2. For side angle, there's 2 different forms. The first form is to bring your elbow to the knee and just bring the arm up. Okay? Elbow to knee, elbow is bent, arm is up, or the arm can reach over the ear. Now, what's important with your side angle with the elbow to knee is not to lean on the knee. Don't put all your weight on the knee. Your core is keeping you stable. The elbow on the knee is simply a light position. So again, opposite side. Mountain pose. Take your time, connect to breath. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, hands to heart center. Warrior stance, right leg back. Warrior 2, elbow to knee for side angle. Bend the elbow, bring it to the knee lightly, using your core to engage. Arm is up or over the ear. Okay? That is one way to do side angle. Personally, I prefer to bring my arm all the way down to the ground. So, actually, I'm not even going to go back to mountain pose. Warrior stance, warrior 2. So for myself, I bring my hand all the way down, chest is open, the arm reaches up or over the ear. Same for the other side. Now everybody's body is different. For my body, my arms are a little long, so I can bring myself all the way down. Since these tutorials, we're not using any props. If you prefer to do your elbow to your knee, that is fine too. Now we're going to take our time doing side angle from both sides and trying both methods. If when you try to bring your arm down all the way to the mat or bringing your hand all the way down to the mat, that's not working for you, simply shift back to the elbow to the knee. Vice versa, if elbow to the knee is not working for you, shift back to hand to the mat. Okay? Mountain pose, front of your mat, feet are straight, fully engaged. Deep cleansing breath, inhale, exhale. All right. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, hands to heart center. Warrior pose, left leg back. Feel stable in your warrior stance. I said warrior pose, warrior stance. Bend to the front knee. Coming into warrior 2 first. First version of side angle will be elbow to knee. So bend the elbow, bring it lightly to the knee. Opposite arm comes up, chest is open. If you can, transition that elbow, straighten it, bring the hand down, lower yourself, hand to the mat. Okay? Next breath, using your core, come back into warrior 2. All right, so we're not going to come completely out. We're going to just go ahead and straighten the leg, shift the feet, relax the arms, come into warrior stance, opposite side. So, now the opposite foot is facing forward, back foot, 45 to 90 degree angle. Go ahead and bring the hands to heart center, bend to the front knee, return to warrior 2. Side angle, elbow to knee first. Keeping that arm up, back leg is straight. From here, bring the hand down to the mat if you can. Okay? Next breath, using the core, back into warrior 2. And we're simply going to, once again, shift back to center. Just bring the hands to heart center. And you can hop out of it or step out of it. whatever works for you. All right, so this is our mini lesson, our practice on side angle. Take your time, practice it until you feel good in your body.